How to set daily reminders on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So in order to set daily reminders on Android, what you can simply do is download any of the reminder application on your Play Store. Or you can simply do that process of reminder through Google Calendar. So I'm going to select on Google Calendar over here. So what you simply need to do is tap on the date over here. So for example, if I want to add a reminder for 1st April, which is tomorrow, so I'm going to select on this over here and then select the title. So let me select this as meeting team. So here you just have to select the time over here. So let me select the time and then tap on OK. So it will set the reminder and remind you within this period of time. So after that, you can just scroll down and then tap on save. And now it will remind you on your Android within a certain period of time. So you can do the same task for every day. And that's how you can set daily reminders on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.